Hello, welcome to your Finnish lesson. Today we're learning about months and seasons, and I was debating if I should include weekdays too, but I don't think I'm gonna make another video for those, and it's probably gonna be out in 2 days or next week, but probably in 2 days from this. Okay, so let's get started. First, a year. A year in Finnish is vuosi. 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 Pretty simple. There is some different forms that you need to remember, but you should rather think about those like in the video how to tell about yourself. I think I told you how to tell how old you are. You say, minä olen vuotta vanha. How many ever years you are. I would say minä olen 21 vuotta vanha. And vuotta vanha means years old. But like there's many different forms of the plural that you might need. Like vuodet is the basic form of plural, but then there's vuosia and vuotta. There's just a lot. Just try to learn everything based on the context where you need it. It's easiest that way, because the grammar is just a bit too much for the starters, but I'm sure you're gonna learn it at some point. Then a season in Finnish is vuodenaika. This means the time of the year. Vuoden means years, like something of a year, and aika means time. So vuodenaika, it's already together, means a season. And a month in Finnish is kuukausi. Kuu means moon, and kausi means also season, but not as in the 4 seasons, but as in a season for something. Like when something is seasonal, then it's for the kausi. Yeah. It's a kausituote, for example, means a seasonal product. That's maybe a bit too much. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you first maybe the seasons in Finnish. So the different seasons in Finnish are here. Talvi, kevät, kesä, and syksy. Talvi is winter. Talvi. Kevät is spring. Kevät, kevät. Kesä is summer. Kesä, kesä, kesä. And autumn in Finnish is syksy. Syksy, syksy. Remember to pronounce the K. Let's jump straight to the months. Let's put them here again. And you might immediately notice that every month ends with a kuu, which means moon. Kuu is moon. Everything's just moon. First we have tammikuu. 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 It means oak. Tammi is oak, and kuu is just moon. Oak moon. A bit random, but I don't know why it's called that. I'll tell you the meanings anyway, just for the fun. Helmikuu is February, and helmi means a pearl. Pearl. And moon again is kuu is moon. You know, I don't need to explain it anymore, right? Maaliskuu. Maaliskuu is March. Maalis doesn't really mean anything except maybe casual way of saying your paint, but I don't think that's where we're going. I don't think that's the point of it. So I don't have any meaning for it. Huhtikuu. Also, I don't know what huhti means. It's probably just so old word that we little babies don't know it. But huhtikuu is April. Huhtikuu. Huhtikuu. Remember to pronounce the H's. I know it can be a bit tricky. Huhtikuu. And toukokuu is May. Toukokuu. 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 I don't think Touko means anything, but it's a boy's name. You can have a boy called Touko. So probably again there is some old meaning to it. Next we have kesäkuu. Kesäkuu. Summer moon. Kesäkuu. It's the first month of summer, so June. June is kesäkuu. And next we have heinäkuu. Heinä means like tall grass. So yeah, it's a tall grass moon. Heinäkuu. Heinäkuu. And next we have elokuu. Elokuu. Elo means living. It's also related to harvesting. Elonkorjuu means harvesting, like the plants that year, you know. In Finland we're a bit early with that because it gets cold early because we're up north. And then the first month of autumn, so September in Finnish is syyskuu. Syyskuu. Syys just comes from syksy, which means autumn. Pretty simple. Syyskuu. October in Finnish is lokakuu. Lokakuu. Loka refers to like a dirty, nasty kind of cold weather, with dirt, water, rainy, dirt everywhere. Yeah, October in Finnish is lokakuu. 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 And November in Finnish is marraskuu. 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 I'm sure this also has some meaning that I don't know because I'm too young for it. Maybe 200 years too young or something. Maybe older people would know. And lastly, we have December, which in Finnish is joulukuu. Joulukuu. You might know that joulu means Christmas, so it's literally a Christmas moon, a Christmas month. Joulukuu. Joulukuu. Okay, there was all the months. Next I'm gonna teach you how to tell which month or which season it is. So if you want to tell that it's winter now, or it's January now, you can say nyt on talvi. Nyt on talvi, it's winter now. Or nyt on tammikuu, it's January now. Nyt on tammikuu. Another thing you can say is it's winter here, right? So if someone lives in a different part of the world where they have different seasons, when it's winter wherever you are, you can say täällä on talvi. Täällä on talvi. Here it's winter. And yeah, that's all for today, I think. Except one more thing you might want to remember if you ever travel to Finland. We write dates in day, month, year order format. So days always come first, going from the smallest to the largest. Day, month, year format if you're in Finland. So remember that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in our next video. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muistathan tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos. Hei hei. Hei hei.